The book of Hosea, chapter 3, King James. Then said the Lord unto me, Go yet, love a woman beloved of her friend, yet an adulteress, according to the love of the Lord toward the children of Israel, who look to other gods and love flagons of wine. So I bought her to me for 15 pieces of silver, and for an homer of barley, and an half homer of barley. And I said unto her, Thou shalt abide for me many days. Thou shalt not play the harlot, and thou shalt not be for another man. So will I also be for thee. For the children of Israel shall abide many days without a king, and without a prince, and without a sacrifice, and without an image, and without an ephod, and without teraphim. Afterward shall the children of Israel return, and seek the Lord their God, and David their king, and shall fear the Lord and his goodness in the latter days. Commentary. Main themes and context. Hosea chapter 3 is brief, but it carries one of the most powerful pictures of redemption in all of Scripture. What was introduced in earlier chapters now becomes deeply personal and unmistakably clear. 1. Redeeming love. God commands Hosea to go and love again a woman who has been unfaithful. This is not casual love, it is costly love. Hosea must buy her back, symbolizing redemption. This reflects the heart of God toward Israel. Though they have turned away, he is willing to redeem them at a price. 2. A picture of God's relationship with his people. Just as Hosea restores Gomer, God reveals his enduring love for Israel. Even while they look to other gods, the Lord does not abandon his covenant. This shows that God's love is not based on human faithfulness, but on his own character. 3. A season of discipline and waiting. Hosea tells the woman she must abide many days. Likewise, Israel would experience a period without kings, sacrifices, or national identity. This represents a time of discipline and purification, where outward structures are removed so the heart can be restored. 4. Future restoration and hope. The chapter closes with a promise. Israel will return and seek the Lord and David their king. This points forward to restoration and ultimately to a future reign under God's appointed ruler. It is a message of hope beyond judgment. 5. Primary message. Hosea 3 teaches that God's love is redeeming and persistent discipline is meant to prepare the heart for return no failure, is beyond God's power to restore. This chapter reminds us that even when people are unfaithful, God remains faithful. His desire is not to cast away, but to redeem, restore, and bring his people back into right relationship with him.